Datmahseh episode
5. See me.
See it. So I don't know, episode 4 was a good look. Great improvement on the numbers. I say big up all who subscribe, all of the people who are watch from the different places. I know we have viewers in different Caribbean countries, different people in Canada, in the US, in the UK. I'm just a big up everybody. Yeah. Jamaica, they don't know, say, I will not lead the way.
Straight up and down, you see me, because you see, I'm glad for all of the feedbacks them. We see an improvement and an increase in the levels of comments and the amount of comments we share. And we appreciate all of them, negative, positive, it not even matter. Because our aim is to bring forth the thing. And we are doing it, so thank you for the feedback. So continue to like, share and subscribe.
Yes, I don't know last week was last week, but this week I get straight into the show. Yo, I meet a brother named Fastcare. The man is a crab catcher, crab cook. The man is a crab man.
Oh, and crab specialist.
Crab specialist. Yeah, the man they know about crabs. Say I do it from him little. You don't know. But the man say, yo, the man say I'm gonna catch crab and man encounter crocodile G. Just free the clip and hear the man's story going man.
Crab stories. Datmahseh.
Them are the Mampian thing, you know what I mean? Yeah. So you can see it's a male crab, you know what I mean?
The male crab that?
Yeah man, this is called the male crab.
Oh, you know the male crab.
Because see the male testicles, I'm gonna show you a female. Female, my general.
Oh, and the different.
I mean,
box.
You see the genitals, them and them things.
Yo, look how long me dey on earth, I never know that.
This
hold you, and this bite you.
This are the killer. Simple as it little are the killer.
This a hold you.
This are dust.
This bite you.
This are just distraction, man. Distraction, see? Are the killer this. See there? See? You see? Are the killer that. See my hole him with the killer? Yeah. What I mean.
So the male crab, them usually bigger?
Yeah man, the male crab them always come in more larger varieties, you know what I mean? Yeah.
What kind of crab them?
Well, this is land crab, you know what I mean? AKA Anansi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Big Anansi.
So
you know what I mean?
So a crab season now?
Yeah man, the crab season man, as soon as the Syrian start falling in Jamaica man, they just go up on the coast and you go pick up 2 crabs. I say,
okay.
if you want to catch them, I'm sell you, no problem, $1,000 a pound, I dozen.
Oh, $1,000 a dozen?
Dozen or 12 bills are fit, them man charge 2,000 because crab just stick something you receive their life and them blood clot, they go cross crocodile
no,
and
you can't cross the blood pan.
Yeah, no, keep talking.
You know what I mean?
Which part you get them crab?
Anyway, on the coast man, you got Rocky Point, you got Elsha, you got Moby, anyway on the coast man, you got Rocky, you got Salt River, Jackson Bay, anyway.
But most they get them in a Clarendon.
Yeah man.
Oh, Clarendon.
Yeah man.
Don't make him pull and permission.
Yeah, I thought Captain afraid I'm dropping me. You hear me?
So much your crab like the big male one?
All them mampy they all on 4 bill speed right away. Set speed.
4 bills.
They don't know say them crab there. Just stick for catch on them way there. Now first life one thing you pass crocodile, you go through swamp.
So you ever encounter crocodile?
What you say? Last time me got crocodile bush, me got crab bush. Me see a goat tie up in nine bone tie up. I the head alone tie him up. Body gone left the head in a rope same way, well tie up same way. Fresh.
Which part?
What you say? Rocky Point.
Yeah, so the crocodile take him.
Lord God have mercy, we couldn't find the body.
Where wash out for them like dirt and so?
Yeah man, you know?
You have to wash them before you cook them?
Yeah, it's like all them when I look at the clan them on there. Oh. So you need them grimy. See me, see all the weed gone in water, you know watch that.
Oh, good job.
Tell them man, grimy man, grimy. You have to get all them part.
Yeah, one that now.
Yeah man, that one is a nice.
See them here learn.
See?
Oh,
yes man, stay up for it. Because the youth them love it, you know. You don't know today I look like a mini crab fest and thing, you know.
Yeah.
But the youth them and thing.
Be a crab for the day.
Yes man. First today is a kind of holiday and thing. You have to get the thing going, you know.
Okay.
Yeah man, so you have to do it now the community.
So what you have to know about crab before you cook them?
Well you have to know say if the crab is dead, don't cook it. If the crab is breeding, you can't cook it neither.
I mean breeding, if it's pregnant?
Pregnant, yeah.
Oh, so one day I try to make up for you, man. You know one get
which one?
See him right so.
None of them
breed
can
on camera.
Well, one day we are bite and a bite and a
yeah.
bite. He can go and bite up, and anytime ready for him, we get him like a trip.
So, how you skill to catch them? They don't pinch you?
Pinch. The only thing we might crab me at the foot them.
Oh.
The foot them, because the foot them sharp, you know, and them thing. If you touch it, come daily touch it and come so.
Boy, it's sharp, yes?
Yeah, man.
You have a little joke
yeah,
to
so
it.
you see if you saw me and crab up,
Yeah.
and then they alone they give me a crab. But them you can't, baby, man. Okay. At least.
So long you do this now?
You know, say I born and I born come do this thing from and I not yeah that them me I got a country right go do them something and
Man, I think I come
my
from
father
the
usual catch crab time have him fun so when you crack us for one fan load. More time we wake up in the middle of the night they have to hunt down back crab gateway. Yeah talk about man how we usually sell the most crab boy.
Yeah.
Talk at the town man everybody know bikey.
Bikey. Which part of them? For who know which part of them? Which part of them now?
Blackburn man, Blackburn them man, you know what I mean?
Yeah, when I pen no there.
Yes man. All you born me eat. Oh God.
The biggest foundation Jamaican culture
Yes,
heritage
man.
come from right there, so Blackburn pen.
That me answer. Oh God, I name the slap brother. Slap.
The money our friend where one time we stay some out there and I see a ocean, everything have to come back and walk towards Blackburn pen right there, so on the block, Kingston 11, you know. So check out Kerry Hotspot Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Number one
Nice
home
cooking.
restaurant. Don't know say a fast car attack and that me I say. And I say there. At the crab fest say, that me I say. Yeah, don't forget to come and clean avenue to come get the crab. Crab fest, curry crab, any how you want it. Madam me, that me I say.
Check the channel, you know, don't left it, you know. Check it, you know. That we are saying, that me I say, you know.
Since Moods Datmahseh, we enter episode 5 to talk about an unfortunate incident where happened over the weekend, you know. The Mavado Gully God was shot at in the Cassava Peace community, you know. It is alleged that he went there to settle a dispute, you know, involving family member of his, and somehow him and an unknown gentleman was in an altercation and he put him on the man, it is alleged, and the man go away and couple man come back and shot fire and Mavado run got the Constant Spring police station go report the incident, you know. But little after that we said the shooter, the alleged shooter, is in custody, you know. So just stay tuned to that, may I say, for more on this matter. Don't want this thing forget out of hand still, because Mavado one of the legend them where still I do it right now. Do a lot for dancehall music, you know. You don't know, you have people who say Gaza and who say Gully, but we don't want nothing do a star like Mavado, you know. Nothing do, none of our artists them. So congratulations to the police for the swift reaction and, you know, the arrest of the perpetrator. But so just give you a small update, that may I say.
Datmahseh.
Yeah, man, that me I say.
So you don't know, say, when me a youth, I used to love crab in the youth.
Yeah.
I'm even tell you don't eat crab.
Me used to eat crab, but me never really in it, like, you know. Me never know the male crab from the female crab. And since me meet fast car, the man say, yo, the crab thing
Yeah, man.
different.
Yeah, man,
I never know.
Yeah, man, the thing special, man. I want to tell you, say, a whole heap of thing go on tonight. You never used to eat all the woman carry shaveg and them something. When me a youth, me
probably
used to love
remember
them
that,
thing.
but me never really buy into it and remember it.
When me a youth, me love that youth.
But the thing is, I love go out and meet people who do them thing the way you usually enjoy when me as a youth. So look forward to more of these features on that, me I say. Isn't it?
Because you don't know what thing organic.
Yeah, man, our thing, I just original content, we go out there and gather, you know, we not to duplicate and replicate. Although, speaking about replication and beat out, you see the Vegas story now,
Alright then.
the man win with that in the youth. The man use a Kanye West strategy, you know.
What is it? Controversy.
Controversy, yo, the man win. I don't know which media house, which blog, which vlog. Everybody have Vegas. If you not Vegas for your show, if you just stop your show.
That's sign. They say that the man aim. The man get a new broke it down without no reading.
The
man do him thing.
The man hot and don't have a song.
I swear.
Big up Vegas still, and Gino Jennings, boy, to me still, as a pastor, the man does gangster G.
Yeah, I'm rate Gina still. You know.
The man that want gangster. The man
Gina thing different.
Yo, the man just don't care, yo.
Gina.
You see me?
Gina, the man youth. I like Gina. I always listen to Gina every Sunday morning. You know.
Yeah, but just, when me say still, just listen where Vegas have some things where him admit. So, yo, him did plan say that I gotta go a different way than how it turn out. So
Yeah.
just listen to what Vegas have to say now.
Datmahseh.
Yeah, you're going to have a debate with Gino Jennings. I said, what? Because I used to watch Gino Jennings when I was in the church, you know. And I liked his whole thing about burning out religion and all of these things. I like that. And I said, yeah, man, this man. I even said on my Facebook some time ago, I said, the first person going to come out and speak the truth about the lies that they told us is Gino Jennings. The original conversation that I had with his representatives was for him to speak, and then after when he finished speaking, we would have basically go back and forth after playing the tape. Because remember, this whole thing is about the tape. It's about what he said about the ladies. We wanted to address that. Deprogram, you know, so me no pure. You understand what I say? Remember, say me do songs, so if a girl take 2 men in a one night, she's a hoe. The problem is not Bible verses. The problem is, if you're having a debate, you don't throw a question to someone and tell someone how to answer the question. Make sure it's from the Bible that you're answering this question. No. When I said to the audience, maybe you need to ask the pastor, who's the Lion of Judah? I didn't ask him, make sure you answer me from the Bible.
Play the tape. What's your name? Can we play the tape? Huh? What's your name? Can we play the tape? We want to get into the scripture. We want to get into the scripture. We are not running from the scripture. We want to get into the scripture. Play the tape.
So I say, yo, Vegas, boy, I'm so going, but boy, you're brave for going there by yourself, and
Yeah.
boy, me never know say it would have end so, but make we see how it go.
I want to tell Vegas say I'm lucky. And the B team, security team buck up.
Yeah, but
more
the
time
A
when I say Gino thing and them foreign channel.
Yeah, man, it's in a thick neck, man.
Yeah, some man where them un big like me, so me even tell them say I'm lucky say the B team him buck up him for a glad.
Yeah, but Vegas you win, so you make a promotion.
Controversy, everybody
nobody
attack
forget about you, sir.
Yeah.
Big up thyself. I mean, I say, big up to RETV for provide the footage. You know, so them will get the footage from. So I have to mention to them, big up RETV, watch it on Flow and Digiplayer.
Yeah, but brother, you see the man said the woman them for dress though, dog. You know, see how them a fan, dog.
Wow, man, I tell you.
The man building want some AC,
Yeah,
dog.
man.
We even tell
Yeah,
us that.
like
Gino
the woman.
Jennings,
If you do
AC.
better, if you want the woman them cover up themselves, make them cool. Because people are talking about the fight and the what him say now, usher him out.
Yeah,
Right now, usher him out of the new talk, you know.
I would tell you.
All right, security, usher him out. Security, usher him out. Take his microphone and usher him out. Take his microphone and usher him out. Take his microphone and usher him out.
Next thing for point to, you see how my boy not the middle look?
Yeah.
Watch my
Why
boy,
you-
dog.
watch him.
Watch your man.
Watch him, man, the
Go
man.
back to him there.
The man under pressure. Play the tape. Play the
Yeah, usher him out.
Yo, the man under pressure and he come like your mother say, go over this, sir. Your father say, stand up. Go over this, sir. Stand up.
Right now the man confuse you. Be a question sign and
Yo,
exclamation
yo,
mark over him head.
Yo, and the man is sweating, you know, dog. All the man for that for just read the Bible, you know.
Yeah.
And the man under pressure, Gina, pressure him. Vegas I tell him, say, play the tape. Right now, me hear play the tape 17 million times.
I mean, here usher him out.
How much
12
time?
million
12
times.
million. I feel say Usher him out still. Even though Vegas say play the tape enough, people are gonna remember Usher him out.
Yeah, cause the man tone does
Yo, the man come like a, you know, them killer dub plate there.
Yeah.
Take his microphone.
Usher him out.
And the tone in the Vegas say,
Yeah.
play the tape.
Yeah,
Play
please.
it, them voice didn't really connect. You see the
really
bass
voice.
voice.
Usher him
I
out.
said, take his microphone.
Usher him
Usher him out.
Yeah, true
Yo.
thing.
Yeah. Yeah, man, voice have a presence.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, the man make you know, say, film church still
I mean,
Vegas.
Vegas, man. You're lucky say you end up come out by your 2 foot them, you. That me I tell you. You're lucky at the B team, as me tell you. Cause me see some man with the manpower with some
Yeah.
bow tie the way up in
Yeah.
here, so you know, yo.
Yo, but Gina make you know, say, him run the ground right there, so.
I mean, a film ground.
Yeah, man, so
Yeah, man.
Vegas. Make we hear a tune now. No?
Yeah, do
Because
so.
everybody and listen, tune in for the tune. So hopefully you get a tune.
Yeah.
Out of it and get a next number one or you know, next big video or you know.
Well, you notice Scatter not to itch for them publicity
Yeah,
though. You
man.
notice
Yeah,
I'm
man.
up in it.
Scatter take peace side now. When I talk about Mrs. Scatter come like a defenders of the earth I go party too, man.
Yeah.
Defenders of the
Earth.
earth. Like him a party, and she said serious. Me never sue a scatter turn.
No, when him say get serious, a man say, yo, me can't take them public. Can't afford to get all a big.
I want to tell us scatter.
Until outside and everything calm down.
I say, yo, if you know, yeah, hey, me tell them, hey, yeah, man, that's how we do it, man.
Yeah.
But you don't know Gino Jennings and Vegas thing.
Go on.
It played out, man. Everybody talk about it, and we just put our views on it. Don't know, say. A different angle. Everybody talk about the serious part, and who knows if Gino say some things where he never want to admit and play the tape.
Because he knew he was lying in front of the people. Because he said he did not say these things in the way how I am interpreting. He said my interpretation is off. He said everyone else in the world that is against what he said. Their interpretation is off. So I said play the tape, let these people decide for themselves. Then we will get into the debate. Then I will prove to you that a woman is not a whore for wearing an anklet.
Comment down below, tell us what you think about makeup on females in church, and what extensively is your views on what transpired between Vegas and Mr. Jennings. Just free up and tell me what you think.
Don't know where I say, yo, just like, comment and share. Big up all the new subscribers. Thank you for joining us. We do this every Monday. Just tune in Monday in the morning about 9 o'clock. You see a Datmahseh new episode. Yeah. Hopefully we have some new and interesting things. Next week coming up, don't know. Stick and stay.
We always have more food now. Datmahseh.
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 Alright.
Big up.
Datmahseh.